In this lecture, we will learn about the Python imaging library. Let's continue to build on our code from the last lecture. Let's say we want to convert our image to grayscale. Doing so is fairly simple. We will call the convert function on the opened image and pass in a capital L. When we run the code, you will notice that our image now appears in grayscale. To save the grayscale version of the image, we can call image.save and pass in the name that we want to give the saved file. Let's pass in the string sampleimagegrayscale.png. When we run the code, notice that the image that opens up is our image in grayscale. Also note that if we go to the folder that our Python script and image are saved in, we now have a grayscale version of the image, saved with the name that we specified. We can also get some information about our image. For example, let's print out the file type for our image. To do this, we can use Python's print function and print out image.format. When we run the code, you will notice that PNG was printed, since our image is a PNG file. We can also print out the color mode for the image. For example, we will use Python's print function and pass in image.mode. When we run the code, you will notice that RGBA, meaning red, green, blue, alpha, was printed to the console. We can also view the size for our image. To do this, we will print out image.size. When we run the code, you will notice that a tuple was printed out with a width of 736 and a height of 875. To rotate an image, we can use the rotate function. For example, we will set image equal to image.rotate and pass in 90. This will rotate our image 90 degrees. In order to display the image, don't forget to call image.show. When we run the code, notice that our image was rotated 90 degrees. This is an overview of how we can use Python's imaging library to work with images. In the next lecture, we will learn about the open source computer vision library, OpenCV, and how to use it to work with images in Python.